everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel Salesforce Hunt. This is Rohit and today I'm going to show you how to create your own System.debug snippet in Salesforce using VS Code. So if you are new in this channel, so please subscribe my YouTube channel and watch this video until end if you want to learn something new. Okay, so let's get started without any further delay. So first of all, every time you have to write like debug System.debug manually in your code in VS Code, right? So if you don't know about this snippet, I will tell you, and with practical I will show you how to create user defined snippets using this VS Code editor. If you are using like IntelliJ or any kind of IDE in Salesforce, so you can use it. Same process, you can create your user snippets and use it anywhere as you want. So for now, in this video you will be learn about this System.debug. Let's say System.debug. So if you want to write or if you want to debug something in your Apex code, so every time you have to write manually like System.debug and something like that, right? Under this one you can write single code and let's say testing, something like that, right? So this is a time taking process, or we can say that it's a lengthy process, right? But I will show you the shortcut. So how to create this whole script, this one, in a single word. Let's say DE. You have to press only DE and hit the tab key. It's automatic create you this kind of snippets. So it's a very easy and increase your productivity in Salesforce, right? So how to do that? Let me show you. Okay, so first of all you have to open your VS Code. So let me open my VS Code. Now you can see this is a VS Code. So I already created one Apex class that is called demo.cls. So this is the Apex class, and if you want to create your user defined snippets, right, under this VS Code editor, right, so first of all you have to press Ctrl+Shift+P. Under this Ctrl+Shift+P you have to search user snippets, something like that, right? So once you search, now you can see snippets, configure user snippets. So just you have to click on this option, right? So let me highlight this one. So it's easy to understand this snippet, right? So you have to select this snippets, and let me show you how to create the JSON file of this System.debug line. So here let me press Ctrl+Shift+P and select the first option, and here you can see lots of snippets. So based on your programming language you can select it. So right now I'm using Apex, so that's why I'm choosing this apex.json file. So just click on this apex.json file, and now in your case you will be see some snippets, right, like some highlighted demo snippets, but in my case I don't have anything, right? So it's a blank JSON. Now you can see this is a JSON file, right? So how to write your JSON for the System.debug? So let me show you the first of all the drawback of this old systems. So once you go this Apex class and type like System.debug like that, and let's say hello, something like that, right? This is a hello program and the semicolon. So it's a time taking process, and it's a lengthy process. Every time you have to press system, you have to write System.debug and then semicolon. So it's a traditional things, right? So how to make it as a rapidly this System.debug, I will show you here only. So under the apex.json file you have to write something. So let's say debug statements, prefix, body and description. So this kind of key under the JSON. So first of all let me tell you the debug, right? Debug statement, you have to write debug statement. It can be anything, but for better understanding purpose or readability purpose I'm going to explain to you this one, right? So statement, debug statement, once you write this one, so it's a key value pair, because JSON always follow this key value pair, right? So here under this key we have like body, description is file template and prefix. So let me tell you this prefix. So the prefix to use when selected the snippets in the intelligence, right? So let me use this prefix first, and if you make it your name or any kind of words, so you can add it here, otherwise you can make it as easier as possible, right? So let's say DE. So DE is nothing but it's a debug, system.debug. So this is the shortcut DE. So right now I'm writing this DE. In your case you can write anything as you want. Okay, it's up to you. After that, here you have to write like body, right? So under the body, so which type of body you want to print by default. So in this body you have to type this array type. It's an array body, right? This is the array. Under this array you have to let me remove this double quote before here, and under this double quote you have to write like system dot debug statement, right? And after that you have to give the semicolon, right? Or let me show you the here semicolon, right? After that give the comma, and under here let me tell you the description. So it's like inserts a debug statement for printing a message to the debug log. So this is a description, so it's a meaningful, right? So once you write these things, let me show you the output of this one, right? So the shortcut is DE. Once you press DE or enter the DE, it's automatic created to you this kind of statement. So how to do that? Let me show you under this Apex class. So just under this constructor, let me tell you the my script, right? So once you type DE and you can enter or you can tab it, so it's automatic create your system.debug here. Just observe here, right? Let me tell you again. Once you type like DE and press the enter key, now it's automatic comes like system.debug. Please observe, right? I hope you understand these things, right? So once you write this one, please observe another thing, because it's having some drawback right now. So how to remove that drawback, let me show you here. So once you type this DE, please observe our mouse cursor in the last. I need inside this double quotes. Please observe. So let me enter. Now you can see in the last, but I need this cursor inside my curly bracket. So it may be like single quote and something like that. You can write here and take the benefits from here, right? So that kind of things I need. So how to do that? Let me show you. So if you need something inside this double quote or this brackets, so you have to write your global variable. So under this single quote, you have to write dollar is a global and one means like first statement, right? So once you type this one, please observe now, previously it's automatic comes in the last. Now if you type DE and press the enter key, now you can see inside my double this bracket in single quote, you can see this is the bracket, right? So let me enter like something here and press the tab key, but here you can see it's inside this one, but I need into the next line. And again let me tell you again this one DE and press the enter key, my cursor inside in this single quotes, right? This is the good. Previously it's something was wrong, right? But right now you can see it's a working fine for my expectation, right? So now you can see under the single quote my cursor. Again let me tell you DE and press the enter key. Now you can see inside my debug, right? This cursor inside single quote, and you can write your string here and take the benefits, right? But still it's having some problem. What is the problem now? If you write something here and once you done your changes, right, let's say this one, but it's not coming here in the new line like this. So that is the problem. So how to make it the new line? Let me show you. So under here this $1, right? Once you close this semicolon, you have to write your escape sequence, means n \n, means this is the new line. So once you enter or once you write like DE and press the enter key, and you have to write like Rohit, something like that, Rohit Kumar, and once you done your changes, right, in the string, press the tab key. Now immediately it's come the new line. Please observe. This is the benefit of this user defined snippets, right? Again let me tell you, like DE and press the enter key and you can write something here and press tab key, immediately you can see the new line. So that is the benefit of this user defined snippets, right? So guys, it's all about like this is the all about the user defined snippets for the Apex. So guys, I hope you learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. Until then, bye bye, take care, see ya.